What the hell? Don't you know how to fly? Oh my gosh, tourists, I swear. Do you even know where you are? Sky Angeles? No? Okay, let me explain to you.
100 years ago, Earth was devastated by earthquakes, disasters, and floods. All people of Earth died.
Okay, relax. Overpopulation, overconsumption, and waste put a lot of pressure on the environment, and humans had to find new mobility systems to replace their polluting cars, including flying. First, it was reserved for the people, but one thing led to another. Light buildings we call pods started to fly as well. Today, Sky Angeles rises 1,000 meters above sea level. Everything flies. The city never looks the same. It's alive. Millions of pods attach and detach constantly to adapt to your desires and your needs. For example, if the park gets very crowded, more pods will come and make it bigger. Same goes for the university, the museum, or the hospital. Even my house. I own my bedroom, but when I need it, I can order a living pod, a kitchen pod, a bathroom pod, and a study pod. Sometimes I keep it one day, sometimes a week, or just an hour. And when I feel extra, I can even order a party pod. So all those pods will attach to my house and fly away when I don't need them. It's even more efficient if I introduce activities to my schedule. I never waste time commuting because my office comes closer to my house and I travel in my work pod, which attaches itself to the office. Then my house moves to the outskirts as it is empty, while my office gets closer to the centre. So the system adapts to me and the objects come to me in advance, so I don't have to wait. If I want to go really fast, I can follow main corridors. It's the quickest way as the path is recalculated every second, depending on the trajectory of the objects. Of course, I'm always free to change my schedule. I can also go for a run in the sky if I want to. You might wonder, as everything flies, where do I get water or food from? Well, humidity condenses on the surface of the pods. They are all covered with an aquaphobic material which allows the water to be collected, filtered, and used. After you've washed your hands, the water circulates through another filter and becomes usable again. If you're hungry, my 3D printer allows you to print food. You can have any meal you can imagine. What do you think about that? Awesome, right? But wouldn't everything crash, you may ask? Well, we're not dumb. We thought about it. Everything here has a protecting halo. You, me, birds, pods, every single object in Sky City. When my friends and I meet, our halos merge, and will split again when we part. If one day there is a danger, the buildings will move away from this area, the system will take you somewhere safe, and the halos will make sure nothing collides. That would be dramatic. Oh my gosh, by the way, my favourite event is the Olympic Games. Do you know that classic literature book called Harry Potter? Apparently, back in those days, people couldn't fly, so they were pretending, running around with a broom between their legs, and they called it Quidditch. But now it's an Olympic sport, and you can choose to fly to the stadium or sit comfortably on your couch, and then boom, you're watching the game with all the city surrounding the players. You can get a perfect view from anywhere. It's exciting because technology is getting smaller and smaller. Scientists predict an upcoming molecular city. Soon, the city will consist of millions and millions, billions of nanoparticles flying around us. Can you imagine all those tiny little things? It's going to be such a mess, but it's going to be so fun.